fellow graduates, let us raise our right hand and repeat after me. We, the graduates of 2014, do solemnly pledge loyalty to San Beda College and to all the principles and ideas for which it stands. We pledge that in all our present and future endeavors, we will always practice honesty, justice, respect for the rights of our fellow men, and obedience to duly constituted authority. We pledge to safeguard our personal honor and the honor of others, and to defend at all times those liberties which are the foundation of Christian living. We pledge to dedicate ourselves to the service of our family, our country, and our religion. Finally, as true Bedans, we pledge to keep the noble name of our school untarnished. By always being what you taught us to be. Practicing Catholics, good citizens, and Christian gentlemen, ladies. So help us God.